In the last video, we looked at OPA security rules and ran them manually in the terminal. The problem with manual checks is that you might forget to run them. That's where CI/CD comes in. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery. It means every time you push code, a set of checks runs automatically, so there's no manual steps and no room for error. It doesn't matter if you're tired, distracted, or in a hurry, the pipeline will run the same checks every single time. For this series, I'm using CircleCI as the CI/CD platform. Before we look at CircleCI, let me show you the GitHub repo. Here are all the files and folders CircleCI will use, and the most important folder is this one, .circleci. Inside .circleci is config.yml. This is the manager of the assembly line. It defines every job that runs and in what order. Let's open it. This file defines 5 jobs. Test AWS OIDC verifies that AWS authentication works. Test OPA policies runs the OPA policy tests. Validate compliant resource confirms that the compliant S3 bucket has passed with 0 violations. Validate non-compliant resource confirms that the non-compliant S3 bucket is correctly blocked by the policy. Validate Terraform initializes, validates, and applies the Terraform config. In the workflow section, you can see that some jobs must wait for others to pass before they can start. That's what creates the compliance gate. If something fails, the pipeline stops and nothing moves forward. I've logged into CircleCI, and in the project section, you can see I've already connected my GitHub repo. Make sure to check out the step-by-step lab setup guide linked in the description below. Clicking into pipelines, you can see a pipeline that ran a few minutes ago. Every time I push a commit in GitHub, CircleCI detects that change and triggers the pipeline automatically. Each job runs in real time, which we will look at in the final video of this series. In the next video, we'll look at one of the most important parts of the pipeline, connecting CircleCI to AWS securely without storing any credentials. See you in the next video.